In this next social traffic networking video, we're going to be looking at another site that's in beta at the moment, and it's another Yahoo product, and it's MyWeb. If you go to http://myweb.yahoo.com, this is the page you'll get. And if you've already created a Yahoo account from watching other videos, you can basically log in, and this is the page you're going to see. It's got your profile come up here, and it's got just interesting things that have been put up today. You can save bookmarks straight away for yourself, but the reason why you want to be using a site like this is because it's a site that people are already starting to use quite a lot to search within. And the reason why it's useful is because if people are looking for sites and you've uploaded and added a page of your own within a certain niche, it will be getting you more and more traffic. So let's give you an example. Let's say, for example, I like bass fishing, so I put in here bass fishing and I search MyWeb, as opposed to search the web, and it's going to give me pages that have been added. So for example here, look, bass fishing reports. Now the really cool part is you can straight away save it, and it will save it as a bookmark for you. So if you're someone who's interested in a particular niche, you can save a bookmark very quickly. So if you're the person who's uploaded this page, obviously that's really good for you, because people are bookmarking your pages and going to keep coming back to you. And another thing about it is great is when they click the link, they don't get taken and open a new window. It actually opens and goes away from MyWeb. The reason why it's good is that if it's your link they've clicked, they're now at your site. Unless they hit the back button, they're now on your site. It's not like it's appeared above or behind. So in this case, look, someone here who's got a bass fishing book, you know, they could be making some money out of this. And there's also Google AdSense as well. So if this is your site, it's really useful. So how do you go about adding a page? Just for this example, I've taken one of our sites, and we're going to look for a particular thing. And what I wouldn't recommend you do is don't just post, when you're adding pages, don't just post the front page of your site. Actually post a page that's within your site, because traffic engines will love that even more, because it's more specific as well. So let's say we're going to do about becoming a self-published author and working from home. Let's click the recent entry of that. We've now got our URL, which comes up at the top of the page, which I'm going to take. I'm going to copy it, and you can see the article's just here if someone wants to read it. Let's go back to MyWeb, and I'm now going to add a page. So you click Add Page, and it brings up a new box, and it's asking you for the URL, so I'm going to put it in here and paste. And the title I'm going to put is Work at Home, Self to get started in self-publishing and working at home. Tags could be work at home, work from home, self-publishing, whoops, can't spell, self-publication, writing a book, ebooks. That'll do for now. So it's going to tag them as well. And I'm going to have access to everybody. Obviously I want this to be as open as anybody as I can. It'll store a copy of the page that I'm going to link to. And you hit save. And if you want to, you can view the saved page. Let's have a look. Here we go. So far we've got just two on here. It's saying that there's a bookmark, one about creating a PHP redirect, and one about self-published authoring. And once you've saved it, it's now ready into the MyWeb network. So give it a while to populate, and it will potentially appear in some of the search results. Obviously, the more popular it becomes, the more chances you've got of appearing. The other thing that's to note here as well is they're actually using and integrating sponsored results as well from the Yahoo pay-per-click network. But people can look very specifically for topics within these groups here on MyWeb. Even something something, for example, like knitting. Look, if we put that in, you can see there's a lot of comments and posts here already that people have put in. So it's a very, very popular tool already, and a great way for, again, yet more ways of adding traffic coming back to your websites.